Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting. And today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys screenshot problem solve setting. How to solve screenshot problem in Lava mobile. Friends we have a screenshot problem in Lava mobile. So how to solve a screenshot problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends you want to take a screenshot. So how to take a screenshot in Lava mobile. Friends open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends you can see this type interface. So friends open your phone assistant setting, intelligent assistant setting, and friends click here three finger screenshot. After on three finger screenshot friends you can take three finger screenshot in your Lava mobile. You want to edit your screenshot, you can edit screenshot friends. You want to crop screenshot, you can crop screenshot friends. If you click here adjust option, so friends you can adjust brightness, left side decrease and right side increase. And friends if you click here you want to show any text on your screenshot, so type something and get text will show on your screenshot. And friends if you click highlight, so you can highlight, and if you click pen so you can mark here. Done option friends click here save as copy and get screenshot will save. And friends you don't want to take three finger screenshot with three finger, you don't want to take a screenshot, you want to take a screenshot with shortcut setting. So how to take a screenshot with shortcut setting. And once after of three finger screenshot you cannot use Lava mobile three finger screenshot setting. You want to take a screenshot again on three finger screenshot you can take, after of you cannot take three finger screenshot. So friends open your phone again, assistant setting, and friends last option friends click here accessibility setting. After an accessibility setting friends scroll it and friends click here accessibility menu setting, and on your accessibility menu shortcut setting. After on friends come back, friends you want to take a screenshot this page, friends click here three dot, and friends you can use accessibility menu shortcut setting. Friends right swipe here, friends without three finger, without any button, click here you can take a screenshot in your Lava mobile and you can check a screenshot. So like that friends you can solve a screenshot problem in your Lava mobile. So once you have a screenshot problem in three finger screenshot with button setting, so once open your phone accessibility menu shortcut setting and you can solve a screenshot problem. And once you don't want to this setting, click here you can turn off this setting in your Lava mobile. Like that friends we can solve a screenshot problem. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to solve Lava mobile screenshot problem. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.